Something else that's very top of mind for a lot of people in the industry right now is obviously what's going on with COVID. And what I see happening on a lot of production floors is, they're kind of reducing the number of people that are allowed to step foot onto a manufacturing floor because of social distancing measurement rules. Are you seeing that be a driver towards IIoT? Or I guess maybe a broader question is what is going to make IIoT really prevalent in the industrial space?
We're definitely starting to see a lot of customers that have their innovation plans and want to use technology. It's becoming a little bit more top of the list now in ways that they have to be flexible. They have to repurpose some people because even these systems need people to maintain them. They need people to review the data and be able to create the work orders to keep everything efficiently moving. So we are going to see a shift in what people are doing on the shop floor. And it's quite interesting to see how companies are adapting now and technologies that are being used, and how additive manufacturing and 3D printers are being used to create products that we never thought would be in manufacturing spaces before. So the innovations are going to keep coming out. I think we're going to see a lot more projects start. And in the way that we would promote projects is start with a small project, start with a line or a cell, and prove out your concept of how you can be more efficient, how you could be more adaptive to a change that needs to happen, and then prove that out to other models. So you're going to see companies start to realize the benefits of that data, of the efficiency that the technology brings to them, and they're just going to want more.
Where I think all of us are already starting to see some of the big pushes towards, robotics, IIoT, and I'm really, really excited by this, Mark.